My name is Penny Duet-Francis, and I'm an interior designer. I'm from New Orleans, Louisiana. I have a firm that's celebrating its 25th year, and I also own a furniture store in the city. When we were assigned the library, I think immediately, collectively, curators realized what the importance of literacy was. And being in the library was huge because Blacks were always denied the opportunity to read, that we said the library was poignant in the decision. So we determined that the struggle for freedom came through people trying to escape and move north through the Underground Railroad, and it was a perfect connection to us naming this the Underground Library. This room, the architecture of the room is amazing. And it was a challenge. One, of course, we had to protect the integrity of the room because of its historic space and figure out how to recurate these design elements that complement the space, but also showcase our work, our history, our stories. So the main components like the carpet, the window treatment, and the furniture, there's this great juxtaposition between what's very traditional and what's very modern. And what we've presented here with the 40+ creators and artists here is a great story of our history that was denied to be shown, but in a space like this, it just, again, became poignant and it brought it back full circle to how important it is for us to be able to have people immersed in our culture, in our history, especially in a library, which we don't have home libraries, or we didn't have home libraries. So this was an opportunity for people to become completely engaged. And then us having the books and the opportunity for us to curate all of these books was another opportunity for them to, again, learn about our history, our culture, our art.